Introducing ToolForge. So, developers build amazing APIs and MCP tools, but there's no way to monetize them for AI agent usage. Meanwhile, AI users struggle to find high quality specialized tools because everything is free and unsupported. Result, developers who don't get paid and users can't access professional tools. So, introducing ToolForge, the first marketplace where developers monetize MCP tools and APIs through pay-per-use pricing. Here's how it works. For developers, list your API in 10 minutes, set your price per call, earn ETH in base network every time it's used. For users, discover professional MCP tools, pay only for what you use, and AI agents can pay automatically. Payments happen instantly on base, blockchain, transparent, secure, and global. Let's take a look at a demo. Here we logged in with the user Alice. Alice has 5 endpoints already created. Using this URL, a third-party user can connect with the endpoints provided by Alice in cloud.site. There are two sections, this create end section, endpoint section, and here you can manage the created endpoint. Let's try and create an endpoint. Here you need to fill into the following details to create the endpoint. This endpoint name, endpoint distribution, then the endpoint URL that you have posted somewhere, the method type, response type, user might or might not fulfill the HTTP headers, and at the end, the parameters that are needed for the endpoint to work. You can fast forward here. After putting in the parameter and the description of the parameter, we'll be able to create the endpoint. As you can see, the endpoint has been created and it has been added to the list of endpoints created by this particular user. After creating a new endpoint, if the developer thinks to make this pay-per-use endpoint as a tool, they can do so. Since the wallet was not connected, the payment receiving wallet address was not auto-populated. After we have connected the wallet, if it try and creating pricing for this get country endpoint, the wallet address is also auto-populated. You just need to fill in the price per call of this tool. As you can see, the pricing has also been added. Here, this is the marketplace where endpoints from all the developers will be listed. Now let's log in with a different user, a user who wants to use the MCP tools. As you saw here, this is the marketplace where all the endpoints are listed out, and Alice is providing these MCP tools, which a user can connect to the cloud or CloudGPT. This user hasn't created any endpoints, and therefore these tabs are empty. The user has a wallet where he needs to deposit some funds so that he can pay for endpoints or tool calls which are paid. Here, I transferred 0.01 ETH from my wallet to this platform wallet. The transaction is made. Here we can see the transaction. Now, let's head over to the marketplace and check out Alice's MCP server, which provides these 6 tools. To do that, you need to go to Add Connectors, then Manage Connectors, add the add any name for your tool, and then later provide an URL for the tool that you got from the marketplace frontend. The tool is instantly added. You can go back to your chat and make any tool calls through the LLM. Here I would ask the LLM to give me the details of the country France. This agent will make the tool call to get country details, which is a paid tool. While the tool call is made from the MCP server, a 402 payment response is sent out. Based on that, the MCP tool calls the approves payment, which again transfers crypto from your platform wallet to the developer's account. After the transaction is completed, then the actual tool call is made. And here you get all the response from the tool call. As you can see, any developers can register their MCP tools or existing API endpoints as an MCP tool, and we provide all the infrastructure that is needed for your REST API endpoints to act as MCP tools. Let me walk you through the architecture. So say for layer 1, users connect through Cloud or ChatGPT or any MCP client for a single MCP server. Then layer 2 is the front-end dashboard. Developers use our Next.js dashboard to add their API points, set price per call, or track earnings in real time. Layer 3 is the dynamic MCP server, the core innovation. This is where the magic happens. It has three key components. Endpoint manager takes any REST API endpoint, converts it into an MCP tool automatically, and registers it dynamically. No server restart needed. Second, the payment gateway. Before executing a tool, checks if payment is required. Returns a 402 payment required with pricing details. AI agent calls a proof payment tool, which verifies the payment, then executes the API call. All payment tools are exposed as native MCP operations. It's just that the user needs to add some credits to the platform wallet, and the payments will be done automatically. Credits can be added on base networks using currently just ETH. Third is authentication layer. So for authentication, we are using JWT based auth with Superbase. Storage and settlements are done on Superbase and Base blockchain network. On-chain verification with transaction details are stored and direct payment to the developer's wallets are made. That is it about the API architecture configuration. So I would like to end by saying API monetization meets AI agents. So as we can see, ToolForge is a product where API monetization meets AI agents, built for the future of autonomous tool usage. Thank you.